Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make egg Aval Upma. Take 1.5 cups of Poha or Aval in a big bowl. Pour water and rinse it 2 times. Then drain the water and keep it aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a thick bottomed kadai over medium flame. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it splutters, add 2 red chillies, 2 finely chopped green chillies, and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Saute this for a few seconds and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well and add 2 finely chopped onions. Saute this for some time and add a little salt. Saute this for 2 minutes and add 3 eggs. Stir fry this till the raw smell of the egg goes off. Now add the poha or aval and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Saute this for 1 minute and turn off the flame. Egg Aval Upma is ready to serve. Please try it out and post your feedback.